To make modelling clay, mix 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of corn flour, and 3/4 of a cup of cold water. Mix the ingredients together. Ask an adult to help you with this next step. Cook the mixture on the stove on a medium heat. Stir all the time until it clumps together. Put the clay in a bowl and cover it with a damp dish towel until it's cool. Once it's cool, knead it until it's smooth. Add a bit of corn flour if it's too wet. Now it's time for the fun part. Cut out the clay with some Play-Doh cutters or cookie cutters. You can also make 3D shapes by hand. Leave your modelling clay overnight to dry. Here comes the creative part. You can paint your modelling clay rainbow or any colour you like. Here are some of our finished products. Hit the subscribe button to see more videos. Visit our website for more fun ideas. Thanks for watching.